I've been getting some crazy foot pain from just standing. Like I'll just be standing and then it's like a shock at the bottom of my left foot going all the way up to like my calf. It'd be tough. Like bruh, it's fast and bruh, I'm at work, but I feel like I want to scream, but I won't, obviously. The fuck. But I'll feel it and I'm just like, bro, what is that? And then I'll walk and I'm fine, whatever, and I'm lifting shit, it's fine. And then out of nowhere, boom. And this is what bro, my foot is fucked. I don't know what it is. I mean, it might just be the shoes. It might be the shoes, but this last one was crazy. I was talking to some people out of nowhere. Crazy foot pain, like crazy foot pain. And I had to like stop my sentence midway because I'm like, fuck. And then I'm just like, all right, whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, bro, something's up. I might have to go check this shit out.
All right, why am I dressed up like this? It's like 7:43 p.m. Why am I dressed like this? Because apparently there's a snowstorm hitting. Here, look. So you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? Guess.
Sure, yes sir, this is the fit for today.
Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Yo, you think I'm fucking around? I'm not fucking around. Look how much snow there is. Bro, I'm not fucking around at all. This is bro, this is what we're doing. Yesterday, mans were telling me that I don't have discipline, that I don't want to go out in the cold. So I'm just like, you know what? Let me go on this run right now. What are you talking about? I can't go out in the cold. Look how much snow there is. I'm gonna have to run on the road. You guys see this shit? I'm just getting started. We're just getting started. So for obvious reasons, today, I'm not gonna be worried about the pace, the distance, nothing. We're just running today. Anyways, I can't even open my eyes. That's how much it's snowing right now. But feeling good knowing that I'm the only person out here in the road. I can fucking scream top of my lungs right now, as I am right now. And it is, no one's here, bro. No one's here. No one's even gonna come out to see. Yeah, I'm 1K in right now. 1K in, 6:11, nice and easy. Better than my easier run pace, actually. Woo! So, I feel like lots of people think that I failed 75 hard because I'm scared of the cold. Oh man, I just wanted to restart in the summer. I don't give a fuck. Bro, I just don't want my injuries to be worse. I don't want to have crazy injuries before the marathon. Doesn't mean I'm scared of the cold. Not a single soul out here. Woo! $2K in, boys and girls, $2K in. Oh, real shit though. I can't even open my fucking eyes. I'm running blind. Oh, yeah. Should be straight in my fucking eyes, bro. Shit is tough. Oh, God. Oh, I'm only getting started, bro. I'm around 10 easy. 10 fucking K, let's go. See through my favorite downhill? My feet are sinking, bro. My feet are sinking. Ah. I think that this is how my ankle ends up hurting. Cause yeah, every time I sink, be fucking on my feet. But who cares? Today's not the day to care about this. And it's memorable. Like, 100%. I'll think about this, you know? Yeah.
I agree.
All right, man. Have a good one. Take care. Yeah. I was talking to a random. He was walking. He's like, yo, are you running? And I'm like, yeah. And he's like, yo, this is the best run, eh? You're crazy, but this is gonna be a great run. And I was telling him, like, yeah, bro, it's gonna be memorable for me. On my darkest moment on the marathon, I can think back to this. Like, yo, yeah, I feel tired, but I'm the same guy that ran in the middle of a snowstorm. So if I can do that, I can do this. I'm building evidence that I am who I say I am. I'm becoming the greatest version of myself. And that's why I'm out here. I was talking shit before. Like, yo, you know, mans are calling me out, this and that. But I love it. I love how they did that. Cause yo, think about it now. That fueled me so much to get my ass out here. I'm like, yo, people are doubting me. I gotta prove them wrong. You know, can't sit at home thinking, yeah, you're right. I'm a pussy. I can't say that. I gotta be the person who I say I am. And this is how I do it, yo. One step at a time. You can't make this shit up, bro. Look how much snow there is. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not making this shit up, am I? Nope, sir. This is the fucking grind, isn't it? Yes, sir. I'm doing it, y'all. Just hit 4 kilometers. I finally got to the trail. Well, you can't really see. When I finally hit the trail, I'm running with my eyes closed because I know this trail so well. We're running all the time in the summer, and now we're running it all the time in the winter. Nothing matters. Closed eyes, barely open. We're just running. I can't see shit! I almost tripped twice. Oh my God. I have to run backwards. Ooh, what about that? Backwards run. Ooh. The snow's too deep right here. I'm gonna fuck up my ankle, so I'm walking a little bit. Allow me, okay? Allow me. They clean this up a little bit more. Better. Not great, but better. I'm telling you guys, yo, I'm like the first person walking. So I consider this is cooked. Yeah, heavy, pretty cooked. All right, we're 6 kilometers in. We're 6 kilometers in. 4 left. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. All right, welcome to my favorite downhill of all time. My high school's downhill. Been my favorite since day one. Now I've completed it in every season, bro. Every season. Let's go. I'm so happy. I'm smiling right now, bro. I'm smiling right now, bro. Woo! Let's go! $7K! We're at 7K. Let's celebrate a little bit. Oh, let's go! Today I'm gonna take the stairs. I'm slipping bad. The snow is slanted. That's why. I just got to 8 kilometers, guys. 8 kilometers. I just got to 9K. You guys wanna know something? I could have gone home at 8.5, but I told myself I was gonna do 10. I don't wanna get used to quitting on myself. I already quit on the 75 hard challenge. I'm not gonna quit twice in 1 week. This is just a little dub. Even after coming so far, I was at 8.5K. My brain was like, fuck that. Go home. Fuck that. We're running 10 all the way. We're gonna go 10.1. Easy. So what if we're at 10K? Are we done yet? Is Joe finished? What did I say? 10.1. 10.1. Can't make this shit up, guys. I wish I could. I can't make this shit up, bro. I did it. I did it. Worked the hardest to be the fucking best.